Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. Beautiful room decoration, wall decoration, kitchen decoration, everything decoration, very beautiful decoration. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So you can see this fan and all beautiful. You can see this is also very nice, very beautiful, very attractive, very expensive, very VIP, very VIP, everything very good. Computer, everything good. I have more of a beautiful computer than this. You can see this also very beautiful. You can see the black color, black theme, very beautiful theme, black color, very good also. You can see the black theme. You can see this also very beautiful. The floor, the roof, the wall, and the bed, and the curtain, and the screen, very expensive screen and all. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the window and the screen and all, and the white color theme. In white color theme, this also in white color theme. You can see the balloons maybe or what, I don't know. You can see the sides, the frame lights, very beautiful lights, expensive lights. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all the lights, the small lights and all. Beautiful lights, and down you can see the floor, the white color. This one is from front picture. You can see the balloons and the side lights and all, and the down you can see this one, the floor, very beautiful, very egg directive. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights are like only doing with pencil making anything, so like this it is very beautiful. Not beautiful, but okay. This one also very good, very nice, very expensive, very VIP, very VIP. Can't tell, I think this much big VIP. You can see the lights and all, signature. It's also very beautiful. You can see the rose, the expensive rose, very beautiful rose. Oh my god, very beautiful room. Wow, it's amazing. क्योंकि तुम गरीब हो. Very beautiful. Black color. This one also very beautiful. तुम ये खरीद सकते हो नहीं, because you are poor. This is VIP room. You can't buy. This one also VIP. This is my room only. Not my personal room. My personal room is good than this one. It is simply I make for show style. This one also very beautiful. You can see up the lamps. That lamp also you can see what color. So if you guys like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. If you so don't forget to press bell icon, so for getting my notification first. So I hope you like this video too much. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Good night. Goodbye. Wait for next.